Hello and welcome to this tutorial, What's New in Proxmox VE. I am William, a computerized voice, and I will guide you through this video. The new version Proxmox VE 5.2 is based on Debian 9.4 and a Linux kernel 4.15. I'm excited to show you the new features we've implemented into this version. Creating a Proxmox VE cluster was always very easy via command line. Version 5.2 allows the creation via GUI. To create the cluster, go to the first node, create it with one click. The Join Information button now shows all needed information for joining additional nodes. Just click on Copy to get this information into your clipboard. On the next host, go to the cluster and click Join Cluster and paste the clipboard. Enter the password from the first node and click Join, et voila, that's it. Reload the browser, and you will see your new cluster. Then do the same with the third node. The new certificate management in Proxmox VE allows uploading custom certificates from third-party certificate authorities. Additionally, it allows Proxmox VE admins to request Let's Encrypt certificates for free and easy setup of trusted TLS certificates. They are accepted out of the box on most modern operating systems and browsers. You can check the documentation via the Help button first, or just start with entering your subdomain and registering an account. Next, request your certificate, and already all of the ordering, validation and installation is done. Finally, reload your browser page, and your browser will show a valid Let's Encrypt certificate. SSL certificates were never so easy to implement into Proxmox VE, and the best is that renewal is done automatically in the background. We integrated Cloud-Init into Proxmox VE 5.2. This is the Defacto Multi distribution package that handles early initialization of a virtual machine instance at boot time. As soon as you have prepared your Cloud-Init drive, you can manage passwords, SSH public key and the network setup for your VM. In this demo we'll use an Ubuntu 18.04 image. The password and the IP address are configured. Log in with the specified password, and you will see that the network is up and running as specified. As we use the serial terminal here, we can also resize the console, and use copy and paste. To learn more, visit our documentation by clicking on the Help button. We have added a new Samba CIFS storage plugin. Just add your CIFS storage by entering your access details and select the wanted storage types. In the demo I have already a CIFS storage configured for all types, so you can see how it looks when it's ready to use. With Proxmox VE 5.2 you can now move to Squid LXC container. In this example we'll move the container disk from local LVM to ZFS with one click. Equal to VM templates, now container templates are also possible. Select a container and convert it to a template with one click. It's ready for cloning. The updated XTermJS Console can now be set as default. Personally, I prefer this one as you can use copy and paste, and it can be resized. For example, for the host shell. The VM summary displays the IP information from the guest OS in version 5.2. This example shows a Windows 10. Please make sure that the latest QEMU guest agent is installed inside your VM. In order to prevent storage overload on restore operations, you can now limit the restore speed. You can set this globally per storage. You can disable the limit. Or you can set a custom value for each restore job, for example 10 MB per second. The new version Proxmox VE 5.2 is available in all of our repositories. Just download the ISO and discover all new features. We hope you'll enjoy working with Proxmox VE 5.2. Thanks for watching.